Hello and welcome back. In this session, we will take a look at modules. What is a module? A module is nothing but a set of functions which is defined in a particular file which can be used in another Python file. Okay, let us see an example here. Okay, so far we have used only app.py. What I'm going to do is I'm going to create another file here, that is Python file called calculator.py. Okay, so here I'm going to define few methods. Add a comma b and return a plus b. I will add another method called subtract a comma b, return a minus b. Multiply a comma b and then return a multiplied by b. What I have done so far is I have created a new file called calculator.py. Inside calculator.py, I have created three functions called add, subtract and multiply, each of them taking two different parameters. In order to include all these calculator functions inside this app.py, what we can do is we can import this calculator. Okay, so import is a keyword and calculator is the name of the file where all the functions are defined. After importing, I can call the method by using, so let me print the value here. Okay, calculator dot add. Let me add 3 comma 4 here. So I'm printing because calculator dot add is returning a value which gets printed here, and this calculator is the file name which we have imported here. So let me run this. Now 3 plus 4 is 7. The same way we can also print calculator dot multiply 5 comma 6. Okay, let me print that. 5 multiplied by 6 is 30. This way of segregating functions or set of functions into a separate file will give us more clarity on what that particular file contains. So generally all the utilities or utility functions can be put in one particular Python file, and that can be used with other Python files by importing file. So there is another way. We can also use alias as, for example, calc. So now calc will become alias for calculator. So instead of calculator, we will use calc here. Okay, which will yield the same result. Okay, so far we have added few functions into this calculator.py. We can also add lists and other containers here. So I will add list and a dictionary here. Okay, so these two are containers. One is list container, the other one is dictionary. So list days contains Sunday, Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday inside the list, and dictionary days contains day 1 as Monday and day 2 as Tuesday. Okay, so let me save this, and if I go to app.py, print calc dot list days of 2, for example, and print calc dot tick days, that is dictionary of days, and day 1. Okay, so day 1 is Monday and list is 0, 1, 2 is Tuesday. Okay, let me print this. Okay, so after execution you can see it has printed Tuesday and Monday here. So this calculator.py is considered as one module, and we have imported that module into this app.py module. If you want to import only certain items, for example, I want to have only list days imported into this app.py. Okay, then I can specify what I want to import from calculator module. So instead of import calculator, we should use from calculator import list days, for example. Since we are importing only list days from calculator, all the others will not be accessible from here. We should remove module name here because we have imported list days from calculator. So if there is a specific item which you want to import, instead of importing the whole lot from a particular module, you can also do that by using this from keyword followed by the module name and what you want to import. So here I'm importing only list days. So let me execute this. This will give you Tuesday. Okay, I can add another one here. I want to import only add method here, and instead of, so let me take out this. Now I can directly call add method. Okay, so this is 7. So you can add as many, and usually this import is the first line of any module. So that is about import. That is the end of this session. Thanks for watching.